Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your PS5 Edge controller. We'll start by identifying common issues like stick drift or unresponsive buttons. First, try a soft reset by pressing the small reset button on the back with a paperclip for 5 seconds. Next, ensure your controller's firmware is fully updated through your PlayStation 5 console settings. These initial steps can often resolve many minor glitches and connection problems, getting you back into the game quickly. Stick drift is a frequent concern, but often fixable. Begin by using compressed air to thoroughly clean around the base of both analog sticks, removing any accumulated dust or particles. If the issue persists, the PS5 Edge controller features easily replaceable stick modules. You can purchase new modules and simply swap them out, a process that takes just a few minutes. Finally, recalibrate your sticks within the console's settings for precise input. Unresponsive or sticky buttons and triggers can be frustrating. For sticky buttons, carefully clean around their edges using a cotton swab with a small amount of isopropyl alcohol. Allow it to dry completely. The PS5 Edge also allows you to adjust trigger travel distance using the physical switches on the back, which can resolve some trigger issues. For more persistent problems, replacing the internal button membranes or the entire trigger assembly might be necessary, requiring a small screwdriver. For more complex issues that these steps haven't resolved, it might be time for advanced solutions. Consider taking your controller to a reputable electronics repair shop for a professional diagnosis and fix. Alternatively, reaching out to PlayStation support is always a good option, especially if your controller is still under warranty. When replacing any components, always prioritize using genuine Sony parts to maintain performance and ensure long-term reliability for your valuable controller.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.